Welcome back to the Random Vids channel. In this video, I'll make a whistle out of this twig. That's a good looking pie. I'm just gonna wing it. That's a normal umbrella. This is my umbrella. To start, I'll drill a hole in one end of the stick. Okay, so next I'll cut straight down about 1/3 of the way through the stick and about 3/4 down from the end. Something like that, and then I'll cut straight across like this, diagonally, about 45 degrees. Now I'll clean this part up with a triangle file. Now I just need to put the plug in. So for the plug I'll use this dowel, as you can see. That fits pretty well. And then I'll just cut off part of it, not exactly half, a little bit less. So about that much. Okay, and then I'll just shave off a little bit more. So now I'll go ahead and cut this off. There we go. Stick this in here, and now it should work. Nope. Hang on. Okay, let's see if it works now. That's pretty high pitched. Okay, let me flip it around because one end is a little fatter, I think, than the other end. There we go. This should be better. Uh-huh. Sounds good. So now I'll glue it in like this with a little wood glue. There we go. Stick that right in there. So basically the plug goes right to where the cut is. It needs to be however fat your mouthpiece is. So now I'll set that aside and let it dry. Okay, now that it's dry, I'll cut this flush with the end of the whistle. There we go. And then I'll carve out a place for your mouth to go. There we go. That works. So now I'll just drill a hole through here and attach some string so that it can hang around your neck or whatever. That's a loud whistle right there. There we go. And then I'll put some of this twine through there. There we go. Do a little figure 8 knot here. And then I'll cut off these two ends, but I'll leave that one whole so that it's one piece of twine. So if you ever had to, you could just untie it and you got your piece of twine. Okay, so I made this one and then I also made this one. This one's a little bit smaller and it doesn't have any bark on it. And that one's more of a hollow sound. This one's more shrill. This one you kind of need hearing protection in order to use though, because this one's a little too loud. This one's like a normal whistle. It gets pretty loud too though. And this one I have a different knot going on. So I have a little loop on this end, and then I have a fat knot. So then you just thread the knot through the loop, and there you go. So anyway, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed watching, hit the like button. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Hey, it already works. What in the world? It stopped working. Oh no, it still works.